Dadaocheng Wharf is a historical landmark located on the west side of Taipei City, along the banks of the Danshui River. It was once a bustling trading port during the Qing dynasty and has since evolved into a popular destination for both locals and tourists.
Oh, look at this view! We are at Dadaocheng Wharf. You know, it's actually a perfect place to watch sunset. We still got a couple hours in. I heard they have some delicious eatery and food stalls over there. Why don't we go check that out before the sunset hour?
Right next to the wharf, there's a market open daily from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m.
Delicious.
Each shop is made from converted shipping containers and has its own distinct style. Not only are they filled with artistic flair, but you can also indulge in a variety of international cuisine.
Perfect day. Already food. Está delicioso. Some quick one I learned Spanish. It's yummy. Fried chicken. Crunchy and crispy. 맛있어요? Wow. Look at that. This is so calm and soothing. Wow. Reflection, it's just perfect on a golden hour. So if you ever come here, there are so many food stalls. You can try so many different cuisines from different countries. They're just delicious. And maybe you can have a cup of drink, a cup of beer accompany you during the golden hour.
One of the highlights of Dadaocheng Wharf is its stunning sunset views. Facing westward, the wharf provides an ideal vantage point to watch the sun dip below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the river and skyline.
After you satisfy the cravings, let's rent a bike. We have U-bike service on site, so why don't we just rent one and ride along the riverside, enjoy the nice scenery.
The Danshui Riverside Bikeway is one of Taipei City's 5 major riverside bikeways. Riding along the riverbank, you don't have to worry about traffic lights or congestion, allowing you to comfortably explore the city at your own pace. In Taipei City, cycling is really convenient. There are bike lanes on major roads and many rental stations for you bike. But what I love most is cycling away from traffic, riding at night. Moreover, there are many attractions along the Riverside Bikeway, so you can join this bike tour from any location nearby.
Beautiful scenery. That was a fantastic experience. Biking in the night was just so chill, relaxing. You can listen to the water flowing, and then people were just like biking and just having so much fun. This is so relaxing compared to the daytime. And if you're lucky enough, you can see airplanes soaring through. Oh, I think I hear one. Look at that! There's an airplane! We're so lucky to spot an airplane. You never get bored along the path. As you paddle through, there's so many attractions and a resting spot, just like this viewing spot. This is such a great place to have a nighttime activity. Wow.